What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. As of recent current events, there is certainly an increase in demand for hand sanitizer, and if you can't find any on the shelves, you maybe have this stuff at your house already, and you can easily whip up a batch of hand sanitizer. It is essentially two ingredients. You have the gel base, and then you have the disinfectant base. So we are going to be using isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel, whether you have the pure stuff, whether you have sunburn, whether you have 95%, 91%, it all helps. So it is truly two ingredients. We're going to open up our bottle right here, and we're going to get a little bit of a base of the aloe vera into our container. So we're going to squeeze just a little bit into the bottom here. That'll do. Recap this. Now we're going to go in with the alcohol and give it about 3 parts to the 1 part of the gel. We are going to cap it and give it a good shake. And now we have our hand sanitizer. That simple. Stay safe, guys. Have a great day.